Hey, Max.
Mommy!
I got something for you to see.
What? I got
Hmm?
Be careful, Beth. I wish I had that blanket.
What's underneath this blanket?
What? Puppy! Yay!
Does that puppy look familiar?
Coco. Is he trying to look at Noah or anything? Archie, he's so cute. Wait, we should get him out of here. This cat's in here.
It's okay.
Hey. And
Yeah,
Weedle bites. Because today he bite me bad. It bite me bad.
He bite you bad?
Uh-huh.
Grandma.
Is it okay if I pick him
We'll
up?
call her back over
Pick him
there.
up.
Well, let's just pet him.
Why don't you pet him, RJ? You want to pet him?
Oh, you want? You can pet him. You can pet him, Archie.
What do you think, Max?
You're so cute. You're so cute.
Can you believe it?
What we do? What we do to teach him?
Oh, look at him. How excited he is.
He looks just like Coco. Someone's name is Coco.
He hasn't acted like that
And then
in the car. You named him Coco?
His name is Coco.
You know what I've been calling him?
What? Puffy.
Cocoa Puff.
He licked my hand. Oh. Did he respond?
Look at that. He's so excited.
When he calls Coco Puff, does he respond?
Well, I'm like,
Look
oh,
at him. Is he going to stay at our home?
yes, that's our puppy. That's your Christmas present.
you bought him at the,
I bought him for you guys.